Okay, we're going to blow this old DMP alarm keypad up with the 480 volt transformer. The only thing I don't think it's going to do a whole lot, because these right here are what are that? Like, they're not variable resistors, they're surge protectors. I can't think of the name. Anyway, I think those are going to keep it from doing much of anything, but we will see. And the wires coming out of that are so thin, I think it's going to be current limiting enough. We'll find out. Okay, let's see. In 3, 2, and 1. Yep, that was interesting. Shut this up. Trip the breaker in the thing over there. Woo-wee, that stinks. Okay, that was cool. I just fried another board a little bit ago and it didn't do anything, so I didn't even save the video. That is cool. Let's see what it burnt. Oh yeah, look at that right there. It just totally trashed that, because I was using, well, you can see the 2 empty holes, and one of them was right there, one of them was right down there. So yeah, now I wonder if it damaged any other components, or if those actually fried over and did their job. I don't know. That was pretty cool though. That was interesting. Okay. Need to find a motor or something to fry on there. Thanks for watching.